So uGeneral Mkhwanazi ngomhla ka6 July ku2025 wayecomplaine ngokuthi ama-politicians ayagxamukela ezindabeni zesiphoyisa. And then bonke bamgxeka ke khulunywa ngeinhlaka ezithintekayo lapha o-IPID o bano intelligent o IDEC kanjalo bayathinteka. Kwashuma umhlaba. So recently kwiMadlanga Commission kuvela ukuthi uDumsani Khumalo oyinhloko yezomhloli onelungelo negunya ngokomsebenzi wakhe uku-appointa ipanel thizeni. So waqoka uDineo Mukwele one history experience yokusebenza kwa-BMW. Usibiya njengomunye wabantu abakufanele ukuthi ba-approve le panel eqoka uDumsani Khumalo. Bayi-approve bathi no, it's okay. Yabo, so waqashwa ngokusemthethweni kwi-post ebekade i-advertisiwe in public. Babe khona nabanye aba-advertiser ka ba-applya then ekugcineni kuzowina yedwa. And then bese kuba khona i-IDEC ngala eceleni. I-IDEC ayikwazi ukuqala i-investigate amacala engekho umuntu olrefeyile icala ukuthi maliye kwa-IDEC. So umongameli we-National Coloured Congress uFidel Adams oyilungu leParliament likazwelonke waloja icase emangalela uDumsani Khumalo eyiloja kwi-IDEC. And then one of the reason ayekade khala ngayo ukuthi ipanel eqokwe uDumsani Khumalo ayimuthi ncam kahle ngoba ubengafaka abantu abane-experience engconywana oku-include uGeneral Khan phakathi kuleyo panel. So just because uGeneral Khan akekho, so that is why uAdams has got a problem. Then walodge icala laya ka-IDEC. And then kunendoda lapha endi ekuthiwa uBrian Upadhyach okuyiyona yamanye yacaphuna leli icala yafuna ukuliphatha ngolali li-own. Akuma mistake ke mfana ewenza ihamba nawo ama mistakes. Ithema isuka izo zonke lezi indaba yaqala yathi kunobudethe ngobukhona la kune crime ekhona. uKhumalo usebenzisa izimali ze-state uqasha abantu aba-incompetent. Reason why he says this lady is incompetent uDineo, it is because une-history kuphela yokusebenza kwa-BMW. So uma beyenkantolo beyofuna i-warrant of arrest yoku-arresta uDumsani Khumalo, bam-arrestela ukusebenzisa iy'mali ze-state uqasha abantu aba-incompetent, bafuna futhi ne-warrant of arrest yokuqasha uDineo Mukwele. Now one of the reasons abazibekayo bathi siyasola ukuthi uDineo Mukwele u-incompetent, so therefore le position I-occupy uzokwenza ama-mistakes. So umthetho South Africa awumjezisi umuntu into engakayenzi. Yabo, awukwazi ukuya ebhenki ufike ukuthi ngiyasola ukuthi ikem zizodeduct imali yami, therefore ngicela siyiblock ezingaka-deduct. No, bazokuthi no, let them deduct first so that we see who they are, then we can reverse your money and block them. So uBrian Upadhyach lo u-applyela i-warrant of arrest kaDineo ngokuthi uyasola ukuthi in future kungenzeka enze ama-mistakes because of incompetent yakhe. So ngcono sim-arreste manje, simpanishe manje engakenzi because siyasola ukuthi in future. Now ke le case lega ephenywa uBrian Upadhyach ibingeke ize ibe khona ukubethi uFidel Adams akayiruthelanga khona. So low actor because kune-referral ekhona. Lento ekade ishiwo uMkhwanazi ukuthi ama-politicians ayagxambukela ey'ndabeni zesiphoyisa. Mawubuka nje, what was the need for uFidel Adams ukuthi aloje i-case with u-IDEC ukuthi esiphoyiseni kwenzakalani? Yabo, what was his interest? And then one of the things evelayo uma be-applyela i-warrant of arrest kaDumsani nekaDineo bathi uDumsani Khumalo would have suggested someone better there on experience, and then they put the name General Khan. So basically i-IDEC want to be in control of ukuqashwa nokudelizwa kwabantu esiphoyiseni, where else akufanele ngabe bane-interest what is going on emaphoyiseni, bona ngabe basebenza with so whomever oseqokiwe lapho already. So njengamanje zimshubele kumfana kaphathi yashi ayaphela ama-answer why lento ekade shiwo uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ukuthi kunosopolitiki abaphushi agenda. Wafika lapha laba belungu abazenza abaphenya abazimele bafike babindeka, bazoboshwa abantu bafowethu, bazoboshwa abantu. So njengamanje lo phathi yashi lo udla mazambane lapha, akazi ukuthi athini exactly lento ekade shiwo Mkhwanazi. Osopolitiki bafaka izandla beze befaka amakhala phakathi endabeni zesiphoyisa. Kusho ukuthi ke uSABS, u-IPID, u-IDEC bayalwa akuzwanwa, yabo. So nobani mengamzwile uSibani uzosebenzisa amandla akhe, yabo. Now mase kumele bephendule bayagula bonke, akuve begula shame Nkosi, akuve begula. Abakazi ukugula ke nangu Madlanga uthi khamla kumanje kuyaphenywa ukuthi bagula ngempela noma mhlambe amanye amaqhinga okubalekela ukuphendula. Uzobona bazoshaya isikanathi, bazomane bethatha intambo beyihenga abanye, kwaphela kuyaphendulwa njengamanje kuyaphendulwa, ukuze nalolo ke efunza labantu ngama case from SABS from parliament ezochaza ukuthi what is his interest ngokufunza abantu baka IDEC ngeindaba, and also uliphenya kanjani